In this video, we'll be looking at getting you started with a new high profits hosting account. Let's start by opening your browser and navigating to www.highprofitshosting.com. Once the page is loaded, scroll down to the bottom of that page and you will see the three packages that we offer: Pro Profit Pack, Advanced Profit Pack and Basic Profit Pack. In this tutorial, we'll be selecting the Pro Profit Pack, as this includes an unlimited number of email addresses, unlimited bandwidth, and unlimited storage space on your hosting account. They are unlimited, so you don't have to worry about going over the limits which the other packages have. Simply select which package suits you best and click on the green Order Now button to the right of that package. Next, you are presented with the product configuration page. If you would like us to register a domain for you and set up the hosting for that domain, select the first option. If you already have a domain and would like to transfer that domain to High Profits Hosting, select the second option. If you already have a domain, or you would like to register a domain with another domain registrar and then point that domain to the hosting account you are about to create, select the last option. In all cases, you must enter the domain name you would like to use in the box below. For this tutorial, we are going to set up a new domain and hosting. We're going to be creating the domain test.com, but you should enter the domain which you would like to set up. When you are happy with your selections, click on the Click to Continue button. You can see that the domain test.com is unavailable. This means the domain has already been registered by somebody else. If this happens, simply enter a different domain name in the domain name box and try again. I'm going to enter High Profits Demo and see if that's available. And as you can see, highprofitsdemo.com is currently available. You can choose to register this domain for 1 or more years before you need to renew that domain. In our case, we're going to select 1 year. Click on the Click to Continue button. Next, you will see a summary of the items which you have previously selected and also a billing cycle option. You can choose to be billed monthly, quarterly, annually or biannually. We're going to choose monthly for this tutorial example. Once you are happy with your choices, click on the Update Cart button. Next, you will see a summary of the choices you have made in the previous sections. These include which hosting package you've chosen, and also the domain for that hosting, the domain you wanted to register, however this will not appear if you have already registered your domain or you're transferring to us, the subtotal, total due today, and the total recurring costs, including any domain registration fees. If you would like to set up another domain, then click on the Continue Shopping button and you'll be able to order another hosting package and/or domain. However, if you're happy with your current selections, click on the Checkout button to continue. The next step is to enter your details. Scroll down the page until you get to the Details section. If you already have an account with us, click on this link to log in. Otherwise, for this tutorial, we will assume you're a new user, so type in your details into the boxes provided. If you're registering this on behalf of a company, please enter the company name here. Enter your email address into this box. It's important that you get your email address correct, as information about your login, system updates, or any other issues will be sent to this email address. Next, you should enter a password into this box which you will remember. This password will allow you to access your account at a later date. Try to make your password as strong as possible, something that people won't guess easily. An indication of how strong your password is will be displayed here. Next, fill in the rest of your details. If you are registering a domain with us, you will be shown this option. If you would like the domain to be registered with your details here, select this option. Otherwise, if you are registering a domain for someone else, or you would like the domain details to be different from those that are above, select Add New Contact. For this tutorial, we'll be using the contact details listed here. Finally, we will select which type of payment method we're going to use. In our case, we're going to pay by credit or debit card. However, you can choose PayPal if you already have a PayPal account set up. When you are happy with your details, select Complete Order. The next screen will show you your contact details you entered on the previous screen. This information should match the address details of the credit or debit card you are going to be using for payment. If these are correct, then scroll down to the credit card details section. Select which type of credit card or debit card you're going to be using. Then enter the long number on the front of your credit or debit card in this box. Then enter the expiry date. Finally, enter the CVV or CV2 number. This can be located on the reverse of your credit card. When you are happy the details you have entered are correct, click on the Click to Continue button. This next screen shows you the order has been successfully placed. Next, check your email. The system will have sent you details about your account and important information which you will need in order to access your account services. In this demonstration, we used a Gmail account during the setup process, so let's access that now. As you can see, we've received several emails from High Profits Hosting. A welcome email, a confirmation of order email, a customer invoice which contains a PDF version of the invoice, a domain registration confirmation, this lets you know your domain has been successfully registered, and finally a new account information email. This email contains important information about your domain and the hosting for that domain. We suggest that you print off this email for your records. The next video tutorials will detail how to manage your account and accessing your services. Thanks for listening.